In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes on Squarespace. If you've made an edit by accident or changed something on your page and want to quickly go back, Squarespace has a very simple shortcut that can save you time. This is especially helpful when you're working inside the editor and you want to reverse your most recent action without having to manually fix it yourself. To undo a change on Squarespace, press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard at the same time. That keyboard shortcut will undo your last change. It's the fastest way to step back after editing text, moving something unintentionally, or making a small change you don't want to keep. When using this, make sure you're actively clicked into the Squarespace editing area where the change happened. If your cursor is somewhere else, the shortcut may not affect the part of the page you were trying to fix. So before pressing the keys, just confirm that you're in the right editing context. This shortcut is useful because it lets you correct mistakes immediately without interrupting your workflow. For example, if you delete text, change formatting, or adjust content in a way that doesn't look right, pressing Ctrl plus Z can instantly bring back the previous version of that specific action. Keep in mind that undo typically works best for recent changes during your current editing session. So if you notice a mistake right away, it's a good idea to use the shortcut as soon as possible. That helps ensure the action you want to reverse is still the most recent one in your editor history. If you're making a lot of updates on a page, this shortcut can be a great habit to remember. It's one of the easiest ways to stay efficient while editing and can prevent small mistakes from turning into bigger frustrations. So again, if you want to undo changes on Squarespace, simply press Ctrl plus Z. It's quick, easy, and one of the most useful keyboard shortcuts to know while editing your site. That's all you need to do. Once you get used to using this shortcut, managing quick corrections in Squarespace becomes much smoother and faster.